Okay, for this one, we're doing a band-resisted cat camel variation. So with the band's doing a couple things. It's giving us a little bit of biofeedback of what's going on with our low back, okay? So we're gonna get in a regular quadruped position just like we would with so I'm getting the band here, getting it in my hands, and I'm placing this band along my lower back area right there, okay? From here, I'm going into a regular quadruped position, knees under hips, wrist directly under my shoulders, and from here, I'm going to inhale, exhale, pressing the band away. Letting this band give me some feedback and also a little bit of resistance to really, really press and round that spine.